What's up, everybody? Oh my god, I'm finally in the video with some real clothes on. Alright, y'all, I got my little notes in case y'all see me looking down, but the first thing I want to talk about is brushes. Okay, brushes really make a difference. I just noticed from watching different, tutorials and stuff, I'm just like, dude, what are these like white hair brushes and why I don't have any? Like, literally, you guys, there's so many different type of hair brushes that really make a difference. And so I'm just kind of going to show you some of the brush styles that I have. I have a Morphe brush here. Okay, and this is a synthetic hair brush, pretty, narrow, then it goes wide. And then I have another brush. Now these brushes are special to me and I still keep them because this brush I had got like a 50 set for like $10 back when BH Cosmetics was like the thing, before all these brands came out. So this brush is kind of beat up, but this is just like, I don't even know. I don't believe this is synthetic. This is the M514 brush by Morphe. And it's pretty tapered and more narrow. When you go to a website, it says the brush hair type is natural. Let me just tell y'all, when y'all go and look for brushes, okay, look for the blending brushes. That totally made a difference. And, when I do create my eyeshadow, you need these fluffy white hair brushes. I didn't understand before, you guys. So even if you go to the Morphe website, they specifically have a section that says blending brushes. So click there, you guys, and make sure you grab the white hair brushes, okay? Another thing, y'all, make sure you clean your brushes. When I was younger, I didn't really understand. I would just go for weeks and I would, wear makeup and reuse the same brush. And if you keep reusing the same brush, you guys, your makeup application, it will not look flawless and you're just building a bunch of bacteria up on your face. So make sure you guys clean your brushes. Number 2, moisturizing and priming really made a difference for me. I know a lot of people say they don't need to prime, but for me, it really made a difference to do both. I have very dry skin and I would love the dewy look. It's crazy because I have dry skin, but I like to wear mattifying foundation, but sometimes it dries me out. But then the dewy foundation cracks and it doesn't hold because I get oily in my T-zone. Drop a comment below if you feel me on that. Like, it's so hard to find the right foundation. So I have to heavily moisturize under my foundation. So what I like to do is, when I'm done washing my face, when my face is still wet, I like to spray on my rose water. So I use this one by Marielle Badescu. And then after that, I like to go in with my Embryolicities. This is just a small one. I know all the YouTubers used to use this. I don't think they really be using this anymore, but it's very thick and cream-like. So this works for me, both of these together, to hold my foundation out during the day. So, you have to know your skin as much as possible, especially with the different seasons changing. And just for me, I notice when I don't drink a lot of water, like, my foundation looks so dry and so cakey. I'm like, my foundation isn't laying. What have I been doing? Drinking no water? All right, that leads us to number 3. Another thing that really changed the game was the whole highlighting and contouring, you guys. You may not have it down to a science, and neither do I. I'm gonna be completely honest and transparent with you guys, but you know what I'm saying? Once you learn the basic concept of highlighting here, here. Actually, I recently found out it's good to highlight around this area and down here. You know what I'm saying? The rest is the contour, the bronzing, the warming of the forehead area, and down the bridge of your nose sometimes. I don't do it all the time, but if you want just a slimmer appearance of your nose, if you can grasp that basic concept, I promise you, your foundation will go from, your whole makeup look will just go from flat face to, hello, hey, now she's having a conversation. Okay, so you guys, you just and I'll drop some of my favorite contours. Well, not really contours, you guys. I don't really have a favorite contour, honestly. right now I'm using the new bronzer contour situation from Morphe that came out. But my favorite highlights, actually, I've been using the Huda one. This is Graham Cracker KKW. Okay, I lied. Her contour is okay. I could do another video on that. I will say that it blends very well. And then the Age Rewind from Maybelline. This is pretty moisturizing if you have really dry skin. And another one of my favorite highlights is this is very expensive. To me, it's very expensive, $50, but this stuff is amazing, by Kevin Aquan. This is his skin enhancer. This stuff is the bomb. That leads me to number 4, y'all. Okay, I'm sorry if I'm rambling, but a good setting spray will totally transform your foundation. When I know I'm gonna have a really heavy kind of night, I will put on 2. I didn't even grab it and I'm not about to go get it, but it's the Urban Decay All Nighter, I believe I broke down and got. But my favorite, and sometimes I put on 2, but my favorite is the Morphe Continuing Setting Mist. You guys, like, I swear this stuff right here is like, it would look like my face is cake, and I'm like, oh my god, I'm so dry, this doesn't look well, I got streak lines going here, blah blah blah. You put this stuff on right here, I'm gonna just put some, you just put some on, because I love it so much. Okay, if you put this stuff on right here, your face will like melt and you'll be like, okay, now I'm looking better. Like, if you do not wear a setting spray, you guys, you will not understand why your face does not look good. It's because you didn't set it with anything, and you probably ain't got none on underneath it. Number 5, lashes will transform your look. It really will. And so, and I used to wear, I don't want to say cheap ones, but more affordable lashes. What, $1.49 for my lashes? And you can stack them? That's still good with like Ardell, but these lashes right here, like, you guys, this is a good pair of lashes right here. And I done already wore them. So these are some pretty lashes. Look at these lashes. Ooh-wee. Yes. These are pretty wispy lashes, you guys. You can see it from all the way back here. The dimension on these just look beautiful. It just takes your look up. Right now I don't have on any eyeshadow, but I have on some big ass lashes, okay? And it just really amps up the look, you guys. Like, you can really have on a plain face, even if you got that flat face, hashtag flat face, you will still look really good with some gloss and some bomb ass lashes, y'all. Okay, so that's my 5 tips, you guys, on how to elevate your makeup. Some of my favorite products I included. So I hope you guys, I hope you learned something today. If you have any questions, I want to talk to y'all, leave them below. And I love you guys, and God bless. Bye.